Namaste. Subject JNV Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Entrance Exam Section 2 Mathematics 250 Self-Study Problems on Mathematics. First problem. In the number 3809, which digit has the highest place value? Option A 8, option B 9, option C 0, option D 3. 3 is the answer. So answer for this question. So answer for this question, D is the answer. So that is 3. How? ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so this 9 is unit place or single digit. Okay, unit digit place alide. 0 is in 10th place and 8 is in 100th place and 3 is in 1000 place. So then highest place value is 1000. So alli digit yaudide 3 ide. So 3 into 1000 is 3000. So answer for this question, the digit 3 has highest place value in the number 3809. So place value meaning ondsala nodkolona enu place value face value anta. It can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Okay, position anna represent madutte. Face value, it is the actual value of the digit. We know place value of a digit equal to face value of the digit into value of the place. Let us first find the place value of individual numbers starting from left. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3809 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ದಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 3 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ಇಂಟು 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ 3809 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 3 ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. 3 ಇಂಟು 1000 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3000. The place value of 8 into 100 equal to 800. The place value of 0 is 0 into 10, so that is equal to 0. The place value of 9 is in unit place, so 10 to the power of 0 or any value to the power of 0 is 1. 9 ones are 9. Thus, it can be clearly seen that the place value of 3 is highest in the number 3809. So 3809 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು? 3. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.